Hello, this is Maggie, one of your Miami trainers. Today, we would like to show you how you can post on your Facebook business page or how you can schedule that post to be released at a later date and time. To start, you must navigate your way to your Facebook account. From there, find your way to your Facebook business page. You will see that close to the top of your business page, there is a section where you will be able to write a post. Once you've entered the post of your choice, whether it be a photo, a video, or simply a status, you will see at the bottom a button that says Publish. Clicking on Publish will post this immediately to your Facebook business page. If you click on the arrow next to Publish, you'll see that you have the option to schedule it. Clicking on Schedule will ask you for a date and time of choice. Once you have entered that information and you click on Schedule to the right-hand side, the post will be scheduled to be released at a later date and time. If your screen looks a little different, it may actually say Post or Publish and then right beneath it, Schedule, somewhere in this area beneath your post. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to trainers@miamire.com. We also have videos and tutorials on our YouTube channel, which can be seen at www.youtube.com/Miami Trainers. If you would like to follow us on social media, we have a Facebook page. Simply search for Miami Trainers. And we also have an Instagram account. Just search for our handle, Miami_trainers. As always, thank you for being a Miami member.